This is the Earth Project. So we've just parked up in Lassodie, which is a old coal mining town. And its only claim to fame seems to be that Sean Connery used to visit there to go see his grandparents. Now I'm going to tell you in advance, the walk there's a bit squelchy.
Positively shocking.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Take a look in the mirror, what do you see? You see it clearer, or are you deceived in what you believe? 'Cause I'm only human after all, and you're only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Some people got the real problems. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord heavens above, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me.
This landscape Artland sits in the former mining village of Lassodie. The Earth Project was inspired by rejuvenating the land and healing the scars caused by humans during mining. It's no surprise that there's been a decline in the coal mining industry, and therefore Lassodie is an abandoned village. The irony is that the project was funded by Scottish Coal, and Scottish Coal has of course suffered from the reduction in the coal mining industry and went bankrupt. So did the Art Project, and that too has been abandoned. I feel like the irony adds to the story though. It makes this Artland a bittersweet piece of art. The Artland was going to be the largest of its kind in Scotland. A gigantic 930 acres. To put that into perspective, that's 9 times the size of Jupiter Artland, or 700 football pitches. What I love about the Earth Project is it's not just artwork, it's also panoramic views from up here which are just fantastic. What can I say about the Earth Project? It might be failed and abandoned, but makes for a quirky wee day out with the dog. Thoroughly recommended. Get your arse out here.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Scottish adventures, be sure to like and subscribe for more. It really helps the channel.